Are you tired of diet plans that promise the moon but leave you feeling starved and unsatisfied? What if I told you that you could shed those stubborn pounds while still relishing your favorite foods? Yes, it's possible, and I'm here to reveal how. Do you know that a staggering 71.6% of American adults are overweight? Despite diligently following mainstream dietary advice, the scales just don't seem to budge. Well, it's time to tackle this head on. Today we're addressing 4 diet blunders you need to avoid for effective fat loss. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not understanding a calorie deficit. Simply put, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. But there's more to this equation than meets the eye. Mistake number 2, falling into the trap of severe calorie restriction. Cutting calories too drastically can backfire, leading to a slowdown in metabolism and making it harder to maintain weight loss. Mistake number 3, believing all calories are created equal. The balance of your macros, proteins, carbs, and fats is just as crucial. Adjusting your macros can be a game changer in your fat loss journey. Mistake number 4, following an unrealistic, overly restrictive diet. Extreme diets are not only hard to stick to, but can also lead to binging and further weight gain. Now let's talk about the keto diet, a transformative approach to fat loss. It's not merely about slashing carbs, it's a strategic shift to put your body in a state of ketosis. The keto diet might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Here's your solution to succeed with keto diet. Custom keto meal plans, personalized to your unique body and preferences. They're effective, enjoyable, and specially crafted for you. Imagine savoring meals you adore and watching the fat melt away. Transforming your health and body is a journey that should be fulfilling, not a struggle. Remember, you have the power to reshape your life, one meal at a time. If you're ready to take this step, I've got something special for you. As an affiliate, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the 8-week Custom Keto Meal Plan. This plan is designed to be completely tailored to your individual needs and preferences, ensuring a seamless fit into your lifestyle. The best part? You can try out this invaluable service absolutely risk-free. That's right. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back. No hassles, no questions. It's an opportunity to transform your health with minimal risk. So go for it. You won't be disappointed. To discover your tailored keto meal plan and take advantage of this risk-free offer, check out the link below. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.